Welcome to the world of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee University, situated on the Tropic of Cancer in the heart of capital city of Jharkhand, having a huge campus with 110 acres of land. DSPMU has a glorious history. It established in 1926 as an intermediate college and marched ahead and began UG and PG College of Arts and Science in 1946. Before 11th April 2017, DSPMU was known as Ranchi College under Ranchi University. This is the main gate of the Arts, Science and Social Science block. Under Social Science, University offers UG, PG and PhD courses in Economics, Geography, History, Sociology, Pol Science, Anthropology, Mathematics. Under Science, it offers Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Botany, Geology, Zoology. This is the outside view of the university campus, and this road separates DSPMU from Ranchi University. Under Arts, they offer English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu, Bengali and many other regional languages like Santhali, Ho, Nagpuri, Odia and many other regional languages. This is the top view of the campus from the social science building. This is the parking for the professors. The campus has beautiful greenery and clean environment for their students. Now get an attractive look of vocational block which is newly constructed. You can see the beautiful painting on the wall reflecting the tribal culture of the Jharkhand. Under vocational university offers MA in public administration, BBA, MBA, LLB, computer application, BSc, journalism and mass communication, bachelor in filmmaking, MA Rural Development, Microbiology, Master in IT. Let's have a look of theory classroom, and all classrooms are almost same in appearance and having capacity of 90 students. Some departments have a smart classrooms like geography have, IT department have, MCA have, mass communication and many others departments have. Auditorium is well designed, having dual floor AC last give a feel of theatre hall by its effective projection, sound quality and comfortable sitting arrangement. 3-star canteen is also there in the university campus, but this is not it started due to COVID-19 situation. So I can't show you the inside view of the canteen. There are 4 hostels within the accessible distance from the academic block. However, hostel have limited capacity and condition of 2 hostels are not good. Some buildings are in the burst conditions. You can see the condition of the building's wall, the tree is coming out and glass is broken of the window. Now we are moving to the guest house of the university. Is 3-stored building having 4 suites, 8 guest room within the common lounge with common lounge, dining area and meeting room. Bicycle stand is in front of the campus gate. In leisure times, you can hang out in the beautiful park in front of each academic block and other park like Oxygen, Moravadi Maidan, Children Parks is also at the walking distance from the campus.